Annoyed by your AirPods 4 cutting out? Don't worry, we've got solutions. First up, dirty sensors. Grime can mess with the connection, so give your AirPods and case contacts a gentle clean with a soft, dry cloth. Next, low batteries. Make sure both your AirPods and their case are fully charged. Faulty case sensors? If you suspect this, reach out to Apple support. Outdated software could be the culprit too. Check for updates on your AirPods, iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Other devices might interfere. Try disconnecting them. If you have AirPod Pros, ensure you're using the right-sized ear tip for a snug fit. Also, they might be paired with another device. Put them in the case, wait a moment, then take them out to reconnect. Still having trouble? Toggle Bluetooth off and on, forget and repair your AirPods, disable automatic ear detection, or use just one AirPod. And hey, if you need to upgrade or replace, grab yourself the AirPods 4 on Amazon. Link in the description below.